To set up screen lock on POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here find fingerprints, face data and screen lock. After that, click on the screen lock right here and then choose the way on how you want to unlock your phone. Through the pattern, PIN or password. Pattern is basically a thing that allows you to draw and connect multiple lines to create a password. PIN is between 4 to 16 numbers to unlock your device. Password is 4 or more letters or numbers to unlock your device. So I'm gonna go for a pattern right here and then we need to wait a few moments. Click on got it and create your password. Confirm it. And then our password will be created. You can also add a fingerprint or the face unlock if you like. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.